Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Marshall Mode II wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a full factory reset back to the factory default settings. So all the pairing history will be deleted, all the settings will be back to the way it was when it came out of the box, and you'll need to set these earbuds up as a new set of earbuds on your phone, on the app, everything like that. So you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not pairing, or they're not syncing with Bluetooth, or they're not syncing with each other, so the left earbud's not working or the right earbud's not working, or they keep disconnecting, any kind of issues like that, or even if they're not charging, can very often be fixed with a factory reset, and you've already tried a hardware reset and it didn't do the trick, this might work for you. The other reason is if you just want to wipe everything off of them so that you can set them up as brand new for any variety of reasons you might want to do that, we can go ahead and do this. It's really easy. We just put the earbuds in the case, and then we are just going to press and hold the pairing button for 15 seconds until the LEDs flash 10 times. Once they flash 10 times, that will indicate that it has been restored to its factory default settings. We can delete this off the app, delete these off the app, delete these off our phone, and go ahead and set them up like a brand new set of earbuds. If this video helped, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.